Good morning, subscribers and new viewers. Welcome to Monday Meander. So yeah, it's just going to be a nice road bike trip for about 100 kilometers, going through a couple of towns in the area and see what the lands are looking like. Very cool. Hey bear. Hey bear. First town along the route is going to be Arlington. Alright, so let's go. Yeah, I had some lovely rain last night. Overnight, about 10 millimeters. Came at about midnight. Huge winds and thunder and lightning, and yeah, very lekker. Definitely needed it. Yes, so Monday the 5th of February. It's now 10 to 6 in the morning, so very cool. We're going to head off at a left direction over here, and we're going to take the R707 towards, it says Lindy, but the first little town is Arlington. And if I remember correctly, there's quite an incredible sunflower field just outside of Arlington, between Arlington and Lindy. Really incredible. Stretches for kilometers and kilometers and kilometers. Let's see if we can get a nice drone shot of that. Oh, very pretty. Oh, the mist is lying there. Very nice. Very pretty. Get a nice photo of that. Looks quite pretty. That could be quite nice. Yeah, so we've got this little bridge here. I just want to have a nice look underneath the bridge, see if you can see some lekker swallows' nests underneath here. Should be quite impressive if we can get underneath. Yep, we can. Let's go. Wow, plenty swallows coming out here. Was quite interesting. Some lovely mist moving in around here as well, and cows in the background and swallows everywhere. So yeah, very cool. First up, Monday Meander. Chat later, bye. Gonna ride through a little bit of mist, so that's cool. So very nice first little stop. Lekker. That's cool. It's a small little bank of mist, so no issues whatsoever. Oh, beautiful Hammerkop. Beautiful. Small village, I'll have to call it a village, not even a town, of Arlington up ahead. Not much here. I think there's a police station, there's maybe a bank, general dealer, small garage, and the silos. Yeah, not a big town, it's more a village than a town. The Meander, I think of the name of the township. Yeah, Meander and Arlington. Literally 17 kilometers, all good. It was a fantastic sunflower field. And they're all drooping now. Oh, that's a shame. That could have been quite epic. Anyway, it's all good. Nice, it's gonna get nice and muddy. Yeah, nice and muddy with the road bike tires. No fun that. Just take it nice and slowly. No rush. Oh, that's a bit disappointing. Yeah, this is all sunflowers. It was a fantastic field. Beautiful field. I've got some footage that I can share, throw it into the edit. But yeah, that's a little tad disappointing, but oh well. Such is life. Nope. now doing this road, which is very cool. This road has been terrible for a long time, and they're doing some nice work on it, so that's very cool. Well done, eventually. Now they just need to fix the R70 to Vicksburg. So that's just still absolutely diabolically poor. Oh, let's not slip and slide. Oop, yep, rear wheels fishtailing. Not the nice fishtailing, that's the mud fishtail. Alright, so coming up on the little town of Lindley now. So we're not going to go through the town, we're going to come around that way to Stainsrus. I have never taken that route before, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it's like. So I need to do my morning exercises. I need to do my squats on the bike. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Haha, there you go. Cool, got my squats done. Yes, that was a nice little stop off here, and got a bit of a drone flight, a master shot and a couple of others, so very cool, very nice. Nice road, I'm really enjoying this. And I think there's some adventure on that road over there. Looking at the Google Maps, there's a hell of a lot of possible and potential routes back to Senekal from here. So yeah, very lekker. Very lekker, but coming into Stainsrus now, yes, there you go. But the start of Stainsrus ahead of us. Oh, Stainsrus used to be known for a very interesting pottery factory. I think it was called Salem Pottery, but it's long gone, unfortunately. Oh, they got a bit of a water section, which is super, nothing wrong with that. That road will go to Kroonstad. Yeah, we need to go to Senekal. And let's head into Staines Rus. Oh, the pottery place used to be here on the right. Right over there, which is now over here car. Used to be the Salem Pottery. Impressive church. And let's just stop here quick. And now we head off to Senecal. Yeah, I think it's about, like I said, 40 to 50 kilometers. And then we're home. Very nice ride. Perfect start to the week. Morning. We've got some traffic on the road this morning. Beautiful cows wandering freely. Whoopee, we've got gridlock. Oh my goodness. Gridlock in the Free State. This is called Free State gridlock. Cool, and now left to Senecal. 47 kilometers. Okay, cool, 50. Perfect. Let's see what's on this route. Awesome. Cool. Do a quick stop off here. Then get another drone flight. Monday Meander. Yeah, Senecal's not far now, just around the corner. So cool. Very lekker. Yeah, so that was a lovely little drone flight over the sunflower fields. That was fantastic. Now time to go back to Senegal. Not too far, I think it's about 10 k's or so. Let's go. Okay, so that was a fantastic round trip this morning. Calling that the Monday Meander. I have to think of another meander to do next week. That's cool. Nice. see if the bear is here waiting to greet. Where the bear is? Where's the bear? Is the bear being kicked out? There we go. The bear's been kicked out of the house. Hey, the bear. Have you been kicked out of the house, buddy? Hey, the bear. Yeah, so after a lovely ride this morning, decent, I don't know, probably 140, 150 odd kilometers, just got back, and yeah, fantastic, really enjoyed it. First Monday Meander accomplished, so very, very cool. And now to do the edit. Have fun, cheers, bye.